Hi, this is Saurabh Kishore Srivastava from IDCube Identification Systems. I am hereby presenting VAM, which is chiefly developed for automated vehicle access management. The most prevalent vehicle access and identification process revolves around checking for valid parking labels and making an entry into the register. The process is tedious, time-consuming, and insecure. The advancement in the field of long-distance RFID, networking, and embedded technology should converge into an integrated, secure, and seamless system for vehicle identification and access management. VAM should cater the security and information requirements in toll plazas, SEZs and ID parks, university campuses, real estates, public sector units and power plants, key government facilities such as secretarial offices, assemblies, etc. The pre-programmed and tamper-proof ASA tags communicates an encrypted, unique credentials to the long-range reader IDLR12. The vehicle tag can be detected from a distance up to 10 meters. The reader transmits the credential to the edge controller from HID. This controller decrypts the credential received to further execute a rule-based access to the facility via boom barrier. The encrypted event information is passed on to the server via TCP/IP network. A web-based interface is used for report generation and tag credential management. Vehicle access management across multiple geographical locations can be integrated and managed via centralized VAM server. The connectivity between various vehicle checkpoints and the VAM server can be established via a regular broadband link. No static IP is required for vehicle checkpoints. All the communication between the HID's IP controller and IDCube's VAM server are encrypted to ensure data confidentiality. The web-based interface to the VAM server allows centralized report generation and tag credential management across the network of vehicle checkpoints. This makes VAM architecture a preferred choice for key government institutions, public sector units, and toll plaza management.
IDCube's vehicle access management system consists of a long-range reader IDLR12 from IDCube. The intelligence is being provided by HID Vertex controller, and for this demonstration we have used an electromechanical rib boom barrier from Toshi. Vertex HID controller can manage up to 250,000 vehicle access credentials. It also controls the boom barrier and the operation of the traffic light. This controller further connects to the centralized VAM server using TCP/IP network. ASA tags from IDCube are long-distance tamper-proof tags. These tags are electronically secure and are pre-encoded with a unique serial number as one printed on the top. These tags are self-adhesive and can be pasted on the windshield of the car. Just like this. The P symbol on the tag defines that this tag is a parking tag. The tags and adhesive are temperature resistant to withhold on the windshield even during the midsummers. The tag has a strong adhesive which makes it impossible to be removed with hands. If we try to remove it with some instrument, it gets tempered and breaks up into two pieces, which makes it non-functional permanently. IDCube's Vehicle Access Management Server is a user-friendly and highly secured web-based application. It can centrally manage a network of vehicle access points either on the corporate LAN or over the internet. Let me demonstrate few of the key aspects of this application.
The web-based application provides a privilege-based secured login to the system user. It further allows to manage multiple companies. This can be the case with ID parks, special economic zones, utilizing a shared vehicle access control infrastructure. The application ensures complete confidentiality of one company's data from the another company. Vehicle Management section allows system administrators to map asset tags with vehicle profiles and assign access rules. Access Control section allows to define access rules based on specific time of the day of the week, national holidays, and various checkpoints. Utilizing various search criterions and report filters, customized reports can be generated. For example, a report dealing vehicle movement across various checkpoints or the list of vehicles passing through a checkpoint. The system maintains a complete vehicle and user log. The pre-programmed asset tag can easily be issued to a vehicle just by typing in the unique ID printed on the top of each tag. The application allows to remotely monitor the current functional status of each checkpoint. The controller status window displays the real-time link status of each controllers configured with the VAM server. The boom barriers opening and closing status can be viewed along with the real-time event information. This concludes the demonstration of VAM. Thank you for going through the video. For any queries regarding VAM, please visit us at www.idcubesystems.com or mail us at contact@idcube.co.in. Thank you.